What's going on YouTube? It's Jacob with Total Barber, and we are here at the shop getting ready to set up for another day. So I want to do something a little different, and I did it last week with my other video, and I realized that might have been a harsh video and some people might not like it, but I want to be real with you guys, and in order for me to be real is to show you real life. So now again, and I said it a lot of times in that video, that is not every day. We're not slow every day. Yesterday was crazy. It's back to school time right now, and it was pretty nuts. But like I said, I don't want you guys to get discouraged coming out of school thinking you're just gonna make all this money and then it doesn't happen. It is a process. So in this video, I want to talk about something that I kind of struggled with when I came out of school, and that is finding something that helps you get your mind off of barbering so you don't get burnt out. Now, what I mean by that is when I first started school, I was so consumed by barbering, and basically that's what I did, man. I watched video after video at night. I went to school. That's what I did at school, was cut hair. That's all I talked about, which is good in the beginning. But eventually, you will get burnt out. And you need something to kind of balance yourself out. A different hobby than just barbering. Now, barbering is my passion. It's what I love, and I'll always love it. But you need more than that. So what I did was, I didn't realize that when I started barbering, I really wanted to give my social media a good look, and I wanted a good camera to take good pictures of my haircut. So that's what I did, and I ended up falling in love with cameras. So I found myself a good hobby that I can come to work, love my job, cut hair. I still love talking about hair. I still love the trade of barbering, but it also gives me a chance to step back and do something else with my time, except just being consumed in barbering. And I think that's important. I think that's important for if you're in any trade, whatever job you're doing. It's good to have a balance and get your mind off of it. I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life, and I hope you will be too. So you need to find something that will help you not get so burnt out. So let's jump into that, and let's talk about the different kinds of things that will help you to do that. So I do want to mention, as we jump into this and we try to figure out some good things that will get your mind off of barbering, that we don't forget the main focus in our lives. Now, if you're married and you have a kid, which I'm going to assume a lot of you don't, if you are students in barbering, I'm gonna assume most of you, I know not all of you, are gonna be pretty young, but this is still something that you can keep in mind down the road when you do get married and you do have kids, that you don't want to put your work and everything else first in front of them. They are the most important thing to you. So what I mean by that is, beginning when I was starting out barbering, I was so consumed with it that I thought I was spending time with my family, but in their eyes, they were second place to barbering. So you got to make sure you find a balance, especially if you are super passionate about this trade and then you try to find a hobby to kind of get yourself away. You know, that's two things that could battle with your relationship with your family. So let's just make sure that we know that our family is number one, and the biggest thing is to try to find a balance between barbering, a hobby, and family, and you know, just put them first. Alright guys, so the whole purpose of this video is what I really wanted to do was try to help you guys find the things that could potentially be a hobby or something to get your mind off of barbering. But you know what, as I'm making this video, I've realized that you guys already know what that is, and all you have to do is make sure you just make time for that and make sure that you don't get too burnt out from barbering, and always put your family first. Remember that, that's the most important thing. Make sure you are making time for your family over barbering, over your hobby, and I'm telling you, you will love life. So that being said guys, if you like this video and you like anything barbering, I hope you will consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, and someone's texting me right in the middle of the video. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope I see you in the next video guys, so stay tuned for that one.